also covering the mental health aspect, whereby their mental health is covered. They know that there are people who care, there are people who are going to help them through it, and the messaging and the structure of all of it comes down from the way we communicate as we CSOs and the media platforms and also mainstream media.
As it stands, the statistics right now for GBV in Kisii County, we are at 51%, and the nationwide statistics is at 17%. That means we are the carriers, we are the one holding the weight of it. And for FGM, we are at 77%. That means for every 100 children or 100 girls or women aged 15 to 49, 77 of them have undergone FGM. We are having a 2-day training on gender-sensitive reporting. We are targeting the local journalists and the social media influencers. This is because we have a shared vision with them, and that is GBV prevention in every way possible. But again, we've realized that there's a gap with stories concerning VOG, which is violence against women and girls. A lot is lost when reporting. You find that maybe it has not been articulated well, or it has not been captured accurate.
We've had a 2-day workshop, and this is the second installation that I've been privileged to be a part of, where we're working with CCOM, an organization that deals largely with gender-based violence and supporting people who have gone through these terrible incidents and who have now come out as survivors. Oftentimes, as a community, we have to rally together to deal with community issues. So today we have members of the community drawn from the media, from influencers, from even local leaders to discuss issues around SGBV. Recently in the news we saw that 97 women in 90 days were killed, and there was quite a bit of debate about what causes this, number one. Number two, what can we do as a society, as a community, as media, as people who inform the community, and what can we learn, for example, from the organizations we saw through the End Femicide protests. The End Femicide protests were actually a landmark protest in Kenya because it was the first time that we'd seen widespread countrywide protests. We saw local organizations, influencers, people who were in the media, lawyers, all coming together to raise awareness and to advocate for strict government action.